Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday inaugurated the Kushinagar International Airport in northern Uttar Pradesh state, with a flight from Sri Lanka becoming the first to touch down at the new airport, which is an endeavour to connect Buddhist pilgrimage sites around the world. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday inaugurated a new international airport at Kushinagar in pole-bound northern Uttar Pradesh state and said his government has taken a number of steps to instill new energy in the aviation sector. Kushinagar is a sacred Buddhist site and is the final resting place of Lord Buddha where he attained salvation or Mahaparinirvana. PM Modi said the airport will boost connectivity and tourism, while also helping develop an entire economic ecosystem in the region and create new job opportunities.
भारत विश्व भर के बौद्ध समाज की श्रद्धा का, आस्था का, प्रेरणा का केंद्र है। आज कुशीनगर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट की ये सुविधा एक प्रकार से उनकी श्रद्धा को अर्पित पुष्पांजलि है। भगवान बुद्ध के ज्ञान से लेकर महापरिनिर्वाण तक ये संपूर्ण यात्रा का साक्षी ये क्षेत्र आज सीधे दुनिया से जुड़ गया है।
The inauguration of Kushinagar International Airport was marked by the landing of the inaugural flight from Colombo, carrying a Sri Lankan delegation, including the 12-member Holy Relic entourage, bringing the Holy Buddha relics for exposition. PM Modi also participated in an event marking Abhidhamma Day at the Mahaparinirvana Temple. Minister Namal Rajpaksa, who is also the son of Sri Lankan Prime Minister Mahinda Rajpaksa, eminent monks from Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, Cambodia and diplomats from various countries were present on the occasion. Namal addressed the event and thanked PM Modi for extending a grant of $15 million to Sri Lanka to strengthen the Buddhist ties between the two nations. Namal later presented Prime Minister Modi with the Singhali edition of the Bhagavad Gita, Holy Book of Hindus. It also carries a message from the Sri Lankan Prime Minister. Built at an estimated cost of $35.1, Kushinagar International Airport is part of Modi government's endeavour to connect Buddhist pilgrimage sites around the world.